Hi, today I want to introduce Mongo database. Mongo database is a database based on the distributed file storage. It is written in C++, and it is designed to provide scalable, high-performance data storage solutions for web applications. Here is the homepage of Mongo database. It's full of green. Mongo database is a product between a relational database and a non-relational database. It is a non-relational database that is the most similar to a relational database. The data structure it supports is very loose and is similar to BSON format of JSON, so it can store more complex data types. The biggest feature of Mongo is that it supports a very powerful query language. Its symmetric is similar to the object-oriented query language. It can realize almost all the functions of relational data, single table query, and it also supports index data. The technologies I want to mention about have 3 points. The first one is collection-oriented. The so-called collection-oriented means the data is grouped and stored in a dataset called collection. Each collection has a unique distinguished label in the database and can contain an unlimited number of documents. The concept of a collection is similar to a table in a relational database, except that it does not need to define any schema. Schema-free means that we don't need to know any structure definitions for the file storage in the database. If you need to, you can store files of different structures in the same database. The last one is BSON. BSON is a document stored in a collection that are stored in as a key-value pairs. The key is used to uniquely identify a document as a string type, while the value can be variety of complex file type. We call this storage as BSON. Mongo database is designed to be high performance, scalable, easy to deploy, easy to use, and easy to store data. Its main functional characteristics are as follows. The first one is for collection storage. It is easy to store data for an object type, and the mode is free and stored in the modeless structure. Also, it supports full index. It supports for inquiry, a powerful aggregation tool, support for replication and data recovery. It also can be used efficient binary data storage, including large objects such as a video. The Mongo database automatically processing for fragment to support the expansion of the cloud computing hierarchy. Also, it supports for drivers for like kind of Perl, PHP, Java, C++, the Ruby, and so on. The file storage format is BSON, and it can be accessed through the network. The architecture I want to talk about has 3 points. The first one is document. The document is the basic unit of data in the Mongo database, similar to a row in a relational database. Multiple keys and their associated value are placed together in an ordinary manner to form a document. The second one is collection. A collection is a set of documents similar to a table in a relational database. Collections are modeless and documents in the collection can be varied. The last one is database. Multiple documents in the Mongo database from a collection and multiple collections make up the database. A single Mongo database instance can host multiple databases. They can be seen as independent of each other. And each database has independent access control. On the disk, different data inventories are placed in different files. The following system database exists in the Mongo database, like admin database, local database, and config database. It also has many advantages. For collection storage, it is easy to store object type data. The mode is free, supports dynamic query, support for full indexing, including internal objects, supporting for queries, supporting for replication and failure recovery. Use efficient binary data storage, including large objects such as video. It can also automatically handle fragment to support scalability at a cloud level, and so on. But it also has some limitations. Like for these three situations, it's not suitable to use a Mongo database. The first one is a highly transactional system is required, and the transactional business intelligence applications. The last one is complex cross-document cascading query. The main goal of Mongo database is to bridge the gap between a key value storage and the transactional RDBM system, which combines the best of both worlds. According to the official website, Mongo is suitable for the following scenarios, like website data, cache, large low-value data, highly scalable scenarios for storage of object and JSON data. Here are several examples of the Mongo database in use in real world, but I'm not familiar with most of them, but I do know the New York Times. New York Times is one of the leading online news protocols use Mongo database. Thank you.